Hello, my name is Steve. I'm a Liquibase support engineer at Datical, and today I'm going to teach you how to download and install Liquibase on Linux. So if you go to our main website, liquibase.org, you'll find a link over here called Download Liquibase. We're going to click on that. We're going to click on Get Community. We're going to enter our email, and we're going to hit Download Liquibase. That's going to bring us to a download page where we can find instructions on our documentation site on how to install. And we're going to look at those two links over here. We're going to have an installation file for Windows or for Linux. We're going to click on the Linux one. And we're going to hit Save File. Okay. We're going to go to our Downloads folder where we're going to find the file that was downloaded. And we're going to right click and extract here. Now that's going to basically open a folder, the installation folder called Liquibase. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this folder wherever I desire. You can put it anywhere in your file system. It really depends on you. I'm going to put it in my home folder, and I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to talk about this file over here, this shell script called Liquibase. So basically, every time you want to run Liquibase, you're going to have to go through this file over here, and this file will execute Liquibase. Now, in order for us to actually run Liquibase in the command line from anywhere else besides this folder in our file system, we're going to have to set something called the path environment variable. I'm going to show you one example how to do it. There are different ways to do it. This is my preferred way to do it. So if we go to and open our command line, we can run a command as such. And basically, I'm going to walk through this command. So we have sudo. Now, depending on your system, you may or may not need sudo. Depends on your permissions. And then echo. And then in quotes, we're going to have this command. Now, in this command, we're actually setting path. And this is my path to my folder, to my installation folder. Yours may be different, but if you follow the path where I put this folder, you'll find out that this is the actual path. So according to you and where you put this file, you'll have to change this. And then colon, and then the actual path. So we're prepending this path to the existing path. And then we're going to append this into a file in my home directory called bashrc. Now what that's going to do is bashrc gets executed every time we open our command line, and it executes whatever is inside, and it's going to execute export path with the actual path to the Liquibase folder. So by doing so, we're setting the path to our Liquibase installation folder, and we're going to be enabling the option to run Liquibase anywhere in our file system. Okay, put my password in here. And in order for us to reload bashrc, so we'll be able to use path with the updated path we just put in, we're going to run source bashrc. Now we can actually test Liquibase and see if it runs by typing Liquibase version, and as you can see, Liquibase works, and it runs from a different path than what we had Liquibase located. Another thing to note is that Liquibase is a Java-based application, so in order for Liquibase to actually run, you have to have Java installed. If you don't, you can go to java.com/download. You can download Java and install, and of course you can run Java version to verify that you have Java installed. At this point, you'll be able to download and install Liquibase. Thank you for watching this video, and be sure to visit us over here at the Visit the Expert Exchange to actually see more videos related to Liquibase. Thank you very much.